Time of our life. Time of our life. She even got a boyfriend. Only Kim Kardashian. Only one life. Guys, earlier Jay was here. We watched this vlog 3 years ago and now we can't come. You cannot come. I can mention my sister. I can see my car. I ain't worried about them Republicans or whatever, they worry about me. I got a home while they work and another home while they paying fees. Walk with women, baby, I make this milk to the drip on your knees. Spinning that shit drip low, bring it drip low. Kiddo say he listen to me, this just makes me feel old. Never thought that we could become someone else's hero. Man, people really Hey guys, so I just woke up with a very bad flu. In fact, it has been there for the last 4 days now, and yeah, I have not done a lot because I've just been feeling shitty, and I was just like, I need some time to recover. I just have to persevere and just go through life because at the end of the day, life goes on. Even if you are sick, life goes on. So, um, I woke up like around 9 and I had slept like around 12, but then my insomnia was really bad, so I kept on waking up in the middle of the night. And yeah, so let's just say I I did sleep, but I didn't sleep that well. Then I woke up at around 9 and I was just like, I want to shower, get myself together, and then start shooting again. I haven't had any breakfast yet, but I want to make dawa. Then I'm gonna have something to eat. After that, I think I'll go back to shooting again because I have one more video I want to post today before I finish this vlog. And yeah, I don't have enough footage for the vlog, so I'll have to do a sit down video and then I'll come back to the vlog. Yeah, you'll just see what I'll be doing in the course of the day, but mostly I'll just be shooting. Yeah, and also guys, remember to subscribe. If you've reached this far on the vlog, just subscribe guys. Subscribe. I'm just going above and beyond. Even when I'm not feeling well, we'll just keep going. Anyway, I hope you guys are well. I have missed you guys. I felt so unproductive because the flu was just weighing me down. But now I'm feeling much better. I'm not fully recovered, but I'm getting there. I was shooting like the whole day and editing. So I'm actually done right now. I just want to eat and then actually the work is never done. I need to edit some more and then probably sleep. Good night, but the vlog is not ending here. The vlog will end tomorrow.
Pray you get that job in Tampa. That's only 4 hours away. Take a car, take a plane, baby, whichever is faster. Whichever one is in the hassle. Oh, damn, yeah, man. Never knew, no, I never knew that you be a freak and a friend too. Yeah, you into everything I'm into. I got something that I could lend you. A piece of mind, baby. Come and get a piece of mind. Yeah. Say you gotta work from 3 to 9. I get you home by a decent time. Wait, fuck your bed, you can sleep in mine. Yeah, let's make it happen, girl, I need some time. Speaking of time, who stopped it? That's the feeling that I get when we lock lips. I got the weed at the crib and the liquor too. I fuck your soul, I release in your spiritual. I be your muse, bring your easel and pencils too. Here you go, you try to tease with them pictures. You could ride on me just like you ride the elliptical. She said I'm trying to keep it tight for my nigga. Girl, unlike your last nigga, all I need is mental. You know I'll work you out, get you right with your physical. Always just another interlude. Asking all the questions, girl, you know I don't do interviews. It's pitiful that when I'm with them other bitches, I pretend it's you. Oh, you work at Kohl's, you ain't dental school.
I want to get dressed, so I'll catch you guys up with my schedule for the day later after I've dressed up. Yeah, and then I'll take you guys with me. Hey guys, so I'm on my way to go and get my passport, and it has really fucked me up the past few days. So this is the outfit. I look so nice, bruh. Anyway, I have to go, and I'm just gonna update you when I come back. It's so early in the morning and it's so fucking cold, but we move, guys. I'll catch you guys later to tell you what's going on. Okay? Yeah. Hey guys, so the last time I was here, I was showing you my outfit. I was going to get my passport. Now we got it and it's almost 12, so I want to make lunch, and then yeah. So about my passport, it took so long actually to get here. It took us like a few months, like from January till now. That's like 6 months. Yeah, it was just a whole thing, but we thank God we got it. And yeah, so right now I just got home. I want to make lunch, and then actually that will be like the end of the vlog, guys, because I feel like I've over exceeded my usual time. Yeah, which is a good thing because I want to be posting more vlogs, like longer vlogs. So yeah, anyway guys, I'll just show you how I'm cooking the stuff, like a whole montage. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoy.
It's 12. Let's go. I know, send me, yeah, you know, go break up when we fight. That's why me I say, love go take some time. No, send me, yeah, you go change every day like my clothes. That's why me I say, love go take some time. Alright, you get me. I'm a fair I got move. You can get it on, but baby, love go take some time. She felt the hour me. Do you wanna be wifey? You can get it all, but baby, love could take some time. Take some time. Take some time. Oh baby, love could take some time. Take some time. Take some time. Oh baby, love could take some time.
try me. You don't need try me. You just didn't look me. I be see you, they look me.